Welcome back to Redneck Garage. So, I needed an intro to this video, and I forgot to do one. I just kind of came home and just went right at it and started working on this project. We wanted to install LED lights to the underside of the camper, which you'll see in a minute. And they're here, and we're waiting till dark to show you. And I could have went with the stick-on ones that they sell for the RVs, but I really didn't want stick-on ones because I'm afraid they'll come off. And I already had these. I got them off of Amazon last year for a quick project that we did, and I still have them. I got another strand, and that other strand I believe is going to go up there. Now those I think that we will stick on. I'll get some 3M stick-on tape, and that's what we'll do. But for these, we just bought some clips and screwed them to the underneath right here, right on the edge, right here. Mainly because the stick-on ones, you kind of got to clean the frame and put them on the frame. I just feel like they're going to be too close to the road down there. Not to mention the glow will be more under the trailer. I want the glow to be kind of out a little bit, and I only wanted to do them on the front side of the camper. I didn't want to do them all the way around the camper because I didn't want to be that guy that is blinding everybody while they're trying to sleep. So now these are dimmable and everything, and I really think that they turned out really nice. The install went really well. So all the links will be down in the description down below for you to check out. I'll even throw some stick-on ones down there, that kits that are just ready to go for your camper. So if you use my links, they definitely help the channel. Not by much, but they do, and that's all that counts. But what helps the most is giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel and get our content out there. Now I know most of the time I do my stuff on the side-by-sides, but as I said before, I like to do a little bit of everything. I like to mix it up because you guys ride, I ride, you camp, I camp. We all do everything different. So I want to continue to throw out these videos, and hopefully you guys like them. Thank you for watching. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping in and saying hello. We're going to install LED strip lights underneath our camper today. You're going to need a switch. I chose this Dorman 84824 switch. And there's the barcode in case you want it. 16 amps. It'll handle it. We're going to put it right in the battery cover because whenever I want to turn on and off lights or something that's on the exterior of the camper, I don't want to be going in the camper to do so. So we're going to install that switch right in this general vicinity. Okay, now you're gonna want to get yourself this much too long of wire, and we got our lid for the battery. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim these so they look nice. Like so. There you go. I have to find my fancy zip ties, but they're gonna go right here. So I'm gonna leave me enough to do that. Okay. We'll have to get our zip ties out. We're gonna come up in here just like so. We're gonna cut just enough. So that'll go inside the box there. And eventually I'm going to upgrade this so it has a junction box over there. I have a fuse box for that. Got ourselves a fuse. Alright guys, so before we see what these things look like at night, gotta wait on it to get dark, I want to tell you guys thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Click that bell and you'll be able to see every video I upload. There's a bunch coming. I got a whole list of stuff coming for you. So, and I know you guys are wondering, well, Redneck, why didn't you just buy the ones that stick on the camper? Well, I'll tell you, because unless you spend the good money to get the good LED strips, they're gonna fall off. I did not want them to fall off, and we put sticky tape around the wheel wells. If I have any issues with those, I'll just make some clips that'll keep those up in there. Not a big deal. Or I'll buy some 3M sticky tape. Not a big deal. So that's why. But I'll tell you what, I'll leave a couple of kits down below and the links down below. You can find one that you like and pick through it. These, they weren't even that much. I think they were like 30 bucks. And they were just ready to go. Now you do got to buy a controller for them. Got to buy a controller, but I'll make sure everything down below that you need. You could do this for under 50 bucks, something like that, under 50 bucks. And you could stick them on if you want. Just, I'll make sure to post links to some good lights with some stick-on stuff. That way you can stick it on the frame. And another thing is, I didn't want mine all the way under in the frame. I wanted mine on the edge of the camper. That way the light protrudes out towards the camp. So keep watching.